Hello, my name is Tim Honick, and I am doing this assignment for it's week 4. I had a student who struggles with math, with multiplication. Her basic facts are okay, but when it comes to 2 to 3 digit, 2 or 3 by 1 number, or 2 3 by 2 numbers, she regroups wrong. She'll carry the ones up to next to the tens instead of having the tens carried over. Um, and then her answer is wrong because she carries the wrong number. And then sometimes it happens too because she works too fast sometimes, so she's speeds through it. So therefore she makes those errors as well. Um, so after doing the DAS and the MIP sheets, I came up with some things that I didn't actually realize at first, but then like, that makes sense that she learns that way. You know, she doesn't. Her social skills are not very good. She doesn't really like working well with others. She blurts out a lot. Kids in the class that she's with me for a small group, she doesn't get along with very well. They're kind of annoyed with her sometimes, so she'll have so things that I came up with is that her positive things that she likes to sit near the teacher and she likes to work one-on-one more, so I'm getting to do more of that. And she likes to talk, so when she's more one-on-one she's able to do that without disrupting the other kids. I do still try to get her in groups to work with, but so she gets a social interaction, but for her to get her work done she needs to be one-on-one. So I'll send other kids to do some group work, and I'll work with her one-on-one. She likes working for prizes or rewards, so some of that incentive helps out too. And then if she's given more than one multiple task more than one at a time, she struggles with that. So I have to give her one-step instructions, making sure she knows what she's supposed to do. And then when she gets done with one set of instructions, I give her another one. So that's another thing that she needs to work on. So after I did the DAS sheet, I went over to the MIP, and I did and the skill here was regrouping while multiplying multi-digit numbers. And what she can do right now, she can, underneath the content I had, that she can multiply 0 through 9 numbers pretty easily. She's pretty quick with that. But then as it gets into 2, again, like 2 and 3 digit by 1 digit numbers, she can't regroup or carry correctly. She'll put the wrong number above the tens place if she needs to do that for the ones place. So and again, I figured out that reinforcement. Some of the things I have for reinforcement is that she likes compliments. So when she does things well, she likes to hear compliments on things. And then positive reinforcement, given her if she works well with groups maybe that day, or works well and does her assignment and stays on task, she gets a reward. I have a punch system where she'll get a punch, and if she gets 10 punches, she'll get a reward after that. So those are some of the things I'm working on. As far as keeping on with the skills, we're doing some interventions with her as I'm having a grid sheet for her to put her numbers on, so she can see what place value, where to regroup it, so she has them lined up as well too, so she can multiply them easier. And I have a reminder for her too when she does those, so she can see a reminder to make sure. I have a rhyme for her to remember, so she knows which one to carry, which one to keep down below. So those are some of the things that we're doing for multiplication with her. And I guess that's it. We're still working with her, hoping that she improves in this skill.